The latest trade data show South Korea is likely to post a trade deficit for a seventh straight month in May with sluggish exports. But the nation's finance minister anticipates a turnaround later in the year. Our Moon Hye-ryeon with more.
South Korea's exports are on a downward slope, but Finance Minister Choo Kyung-ho remains optimistic that things will start looking up soon. Data released by Korea Customs Service on Monday shows that the total value of exports for the first 20 days of May was $32.4 billion, more than 16% lower than the same period last year. On-year declines for the country's exports have continued for 7 straight months, putting the country's trade balance in the red for the longest period since 1997. So far this year, South Korea's trade deficit has hit $29.5 billion. All major industries, with the exception of the auto industry, saw declines in outbound shipments. Computer-related goods saw more than a 47% decline on year, and semiconductors fell by nearly 36%. Exports to all of South Korea's major trading partner countries fell in the same period. Shipments to Taiwan saw the biggest decline of nearly 54%, but exports to countries such as the United States and China also fell. Despite these figures, Finance Minister Choo Kyung-ho said in a parliamentary session on Monday that there will be a turnaround in the months to come. He said that the country's trade deficit will decrease after the month is over and that he anticipates a different set of results in the fourth quarter of the year. That being said, experts remain pessimistic about the recovery of chip exports, which has seen 9 straight months of decline.
The recovery of the semiconductor exports will likely follow the recovery of the global economy. And as there hasn't been any changes in the external conditions at present, it seems as though this uncertainty will continue for the rest of the year. I don't think semiconductors will play a big role in changing the current export situation.
On the other hand, auto exports saw nearly a 55% jump on year in May due to the growing popularity of eco-friendly vehicles. Moon Hye-ryeon, 아리랑뉴스.